Nagpapans man mo.
Dali, dyan.
Normal Garbo, Norlin Garbo. Kabayaran niya. Oh. Pero itong tawagan ko, wala pa mangugot. Juicy na.
Yonis kamuti yan, kundi klik-klik.
Asa naman mo kayo?
Ay, klik na nga.
Second floor! Pwede, dito ba kayo?
Lagi saya, asa mas desiritize?
Name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Salvawi ng Pilipinas. Kayang magiging persasiyanan, alap ng puso, sa titig mo'y buhay. Lupang binira, luyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka pagsisingit, sa nagkakbulok, sa simula, sa langit mong lugar, may gandang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang isang lang matawag mo'y tagumpay na nagniningin, ang bituin na taraw niyang kailan, kamay magdidilig, lupa ng araw ng buwan, ating pagsimula, tuwa'y langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya ng may mag-aapi, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Okay. Murag igutom man. Hello. Hi. Okay, we'd like to thank everyone for coming here this morning. And of course, our TESDA representative, we have Mr. Brian Lavinia Adaser. Good morning. Thank you for coming. And of course, our trainer, we have Ma'am Irene. We have our president here, Center President Dr. Paulos Maria M. Cadieri. And of course, without much further ado, let's have the welcome address to be done by no less than the president of this group, the Baptist group, the Mano Eggs from the US of A, the America US of A, under sa asawa. Okay, we have Dr. Emmanuel C. Mantelia.
Thank you very much, Dr. Freddie. Good morning. It is our great honor and privilege to have with you fellow graduates of this occasion. You know, to other people, today is just an ordinary day, but for us here, this is a very special day. A day to remember, a day to remember us, because this is the first graduates of batch of the UHP was I had as well of Candidate Training Center as backed up by TESDA. Though you are already welcome to this occasion because this is our occasion, but still I would like to extend my heartfelt greetings, the warmest greetings to you all, most especially to our beloved President and to the people and to our trainer of this Halo program. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning.
Okay, a round of applause. Okay, at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, let's have the presentation of the candidates for graduation. And of course, this will be followed by the acceptance and confirmation of the graduates by our very own listener. We have from TESDA representative, Mr. Adaser. Okay, a round of applause, please.
First, Adolfo Angelina T. Second, Andralis LSLC. Third, Aguilo Concepcion S. Fourth, Alaura Merelos B. 5, Alaura Niña Antoinette B. 6, Apali Desiree T. 7, RCP Amelie. 8, Baya Janice. 9, Langko Yunora. 10, Portal Lydia. 11, Cortijo Melanie. 12, Linoy Merlinda. 13, Disamparado Rowena. 14, Disamparado Musiga. 15, Garbo Norma. 16, Inot Freddy. 17, Labango Lourdes. 18, Lasherda Marino. 19, Mahinay Godobrido. 20, Mandilla Emmanuel. 21, Mumu Aisa. 22, Socorro Jedros. 23, Socorro Judilin. And 24, Solano Clark Miguel. And lastly is Lauren Joshua.
I'm Puntan. So I'm here to confirm your graduation and on behalf of our ARD and PD Floral Delinka and our scholarship focal senior PhD specialist Clark Henry C. Ratcliffe, 20 girls and 5 boys. Kulang pa.
Absent lang ako.
Absent. Okay. So 20 girls and 5 boys, I hereby confirm you graduates for Hilot Wellness and Massage NC2 under the TWSP program. Congratulations.
Okay, congratulations, dear graduates. You will now take your seats. Tracing sa Assessment Center or Kanyiti Training and Assessment Center to give us or to distribute the diplomas or certificates for graduation. A round of applause, please. And of course, this was to be assisted by the TISA representatives, and likewise, we have Angelina T. Adolfo. A round of applause, please. We have ESL Adralis. A round of applause, please. Next we have Concepcion is Adino. Please put your hands up there. Next, congratulations, Mary Rose B. Alaura. Congratulations, Linya Antoinette B. Alaura. Then congratulations, Israel D. Apali. Silver round. Next we have congratulations, Amelie S. RCP. Paghilir ang pagpapasipag gamay. Next we have congratulations, Janice P. Baya. Next, congratulations, Ginora D. Blanco. Pagtako kasilingan. Next, congratulations, Miss Linda M. Cortil. Pagtako kasilingan. Not around. Next we have congratulations, Miss Melanie P. Cortijo. Congratulations, Miss Mary Linda C. Pinoy. Next we have congratulations Miss Rowena L. Desamparado. Then we have congratulations Mr. Jose Bob Desamparado II. Then we have congratulations Dr. Norma A. Garbo. Then we have congratulations Miss Lourdes M. Labajo. Then we have congratulations Miss Mario L. Lasierda. Maestro Rio. Hasta maestro. This is maestro. Okay, then we have next congratulations we have Dr. Emmanuel C. Mantelia. Okay, next we have congratulations Miss Aisa S. Mumu. Then congratulations Miss Jane Rose S. Sokori. Then congratulations Miss Judilyn S. Sokori. Then we have congratulations Mr. Clark Miguel G. Suano. And last but not the least, we have congratulations Mr. Joshua C. Toring. Okay, this is still last but not the least. We have congratulations Miss Desiree P. Apali.
Last but not the least, Dr. Penny A. Inoue.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Kita magkamot nila ron. But we are very privileged this morning that since they are very busy, they have sent somebody to represent them, and he is our guest speaker this morning, the person of Sir Brian. Sir.
Thank you, sir. Sa introduction. And may buntag, balik ninyo tanan.
May buntag.
Nagigutom na sila, sir, no? I want, first of all, very sorry, no? Na-delay ko pag-array. Actually, nibiya ko sa Tesla, but unfortunately, ang akong gidriver na sakyanan sa Tesla, mukalitra sa tingog, mukagaling na sa ilalong, umuhulong na sa ko mga 5 minutes. And on the way here, more than 15 times ko nag-sigyo gulong. So 5 minutes, kanang perme, no? So pasensya juga ayo na nadugay ko. Okay? Nga, karon nadawat naman ninyo ang inyong national certificate. So congratulations on passing the assessment, no? Pili siya sayon na pasaron kay naadyo tayo mga assessors mitikuloso juga ayo tan-awon do nila umayo if sakto ba gyud ang inyong gibuhat diya sa assessment. Yeah, since you pass the assessment, dako kayo atong pasalamat sa inyo, no? Isa man yung pasalamatan, anak.
Si Doc.
Ang inyong,
Sir Paulo.
ang inyong trainer, basing gituluan mo building, at dili na maong masayong na yung inig-abot na sa assessment, no? So, thank you, ma'am, for giving them very good training for Hilot Wellness Massage and Siku. Okay? Yeah, congratulations. Pagpaki inyong kagaling na nakapasal mo sa assessment. Okay? And then, after your assessment, naapagita ninyo, gihulan na, usapan, ang inyong allowance. Namatod pa rin sa 2,400,000. Okay? So, karon pa lang, malipayo na kayo tapat. Ayaw ka rin ang inyong training na nakatunan. No? Kanang inyong 2 million, taon-taon, hulog na na. Pampas na yun. Okay? Kaya ang message po ni Pili Floro, no? Na dili lang kayo kini ang inyong pwede apilan na training. Okay? You can attend or join scholarship programs sa TESDA as many as you want. But dili pwede nga the same sa qualification na inyo nang nahumanan. No? So since Hilot nahumanan, padayon na po mo sa lain nga. And I spoke to Sir, no? And he is planning to create a new training program under PINTAG ang driving and season. Okay? So, pohon, you can be a scholar again under the Kanyetec PVI Training Center, no? Under na po sa driving NC2. Okay? So, be ready lang. Kaya basin ako, mga tanong sa sir.
Palikamutan.
Wala kayo pizza, no? But sige lang. Naabot tayo mga Lion Training Center na available na rin sa Cebu City o Mandaue that you can join in while waiting for the driving NC2. Okay? So ayaw makabalaga, kung asa mo, padulong ang training center, you can always contact us at TESDA. Okay? We are still waiting for more budget na mo arrive karong tuiga kay naabot karon sa election fund. So hopefully, I will see you again during our training induction program. No? Okay. So it was, how many, ano sa wala mo? March 19, no? Mga around alas 6 sa gabi ito. No? 5:30. So, hopefully, dili ko ingat mo ang schedule na pusunod, no? Kaya medyo traffic yung lugar na rin. Okay? So that's why ako dahil ipadala na report ni Sir Clark that time, no? Traffic din, no? Kasi ang inyong planong driving institute for today, ha? Manamay lain area. Okay. So, congratulations sa inyong tanan. Eh, kini pa lang pagdawat niyo sa inyong NC2, mauna ni ang inyong Yahweh, no? Sa pagpangitao trabaho. Remember, during the training induction program, the national certificate is recognized not only there is sa Pilipinas, but international. No? So, pwede yun mo makapag-apply o trabaho as a Hilot Wellness Massage Institute abroad. No? Mostly, nanginanglan na kanang nasa cruise ship. Kung kinsa ito yung mga hadlukan ninyong sakay barko, randam-randam lang muda ang pakpisaw lang mo. Kaya muagi yun mo sa company, pero wala dito opportunity, kayaw ninyo ang dami. No? Apply na po mo o lain. Eh sa hotel pa na senaryo, kanang inyong Yahweh, kanang insito, mahunay i-try ninyo abli sa portahan. Kung Yahweh din isakto sa portahan, pangita na po mo lain portahan. Kaya na-adjoy kanang portahan na sakto rin ang Yahweh ha. No? And I was listening to the speech during the opening, no? From US, ka, sir? Huh?
Grade 2.
Going through, very good kaya ang English ko kita dito sa abroad. Yeah, very fluent ang iyang English. So hopefully, practice po mudaan labi ng mga apply tag-abroad. Okay? Eh, kasagaran na bagyo sa ato mga Pilipino, English kita. Eh, Tagalog, English. So once again, congratulations to everyone. And hopefully, it will be a start of a new day to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Pastor Brian, for that most inspiring words from the TISTA department. And remember, TISTA, he will believe in us. Pero nangit siya na ako. If ako ba iya paligid ng Mr. Brian, pwede pa ko na sa Amerika may mga sir, hello sir, ano ba? Nagbilan siya sa Mira, kung natin naman siya, kapag may ba? Sir, hello sir, pwede mo. Okay. At this juncture, mau sa tinggal sir, hello sir, dali sir, mga sir. Oh, sir. Okay, so actually, ang tinuod si Dr. Montilla will be leaving us here. He will be leaving exactly August 8. Ato na sila sa Pumpuyo sa United States of America. Ako klaro kayo, pero USA, under sa asawa. No, under sa asawa. Okay. At this point in time, my dear graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, let's have dapat yung model training, no? Okay, we have the awarding of medals and certificates to our model trainees. And to do this one, to do the honor, let's have our center president. We have Dr. Paulos Marie L. Candide, and of course, to be assisted by Sir Brian, and the trainer itself is Eileen. Okay. Congratulations, Model 3, Asa Maestro. Okay, we have this Aguinaldo Concepcion S. Masipag pakpak mga kaibigan.
Ako yun. Nakamidal na kita. Iba niya mo kamidal.
Okay, next we have Miss Laura Lilia Antoinette B.
Nakamidal.
Next we have, of course, Model 3, Dr. Norman Gabo. Pakpak mga silingan. Yan nga, pasabot na siya nga, dili, babak ang idanhang, idan mo sorry. Okay, congratulations, Dr. Garbo, for that being a model training. Next, we have congratulations. Ini bata. We have congratulations, Miss Nasherda Marilo L. Pakpa mga siya, hingay pa po. Nakita makruna sa inyo. Okay, last but not the least for the model training, we have Miss Socorro Jean Rose S. Congratulations. Okay, once again, congratulations, model trainees, and of course, thank you so much, Dr. Paulus Cañete. We have Sir Ryan Lavinia Ada, and of course, Miss Aileen.
I would like to begin by giving a warmest greeting to our President of Kinetic Training and Assessment Center, Dr. Paulo Marie L. Cañete, to our President and Vice President of the MAPG class, Dr. Emmanuel Mantilla and Dr. Arfidi Inot, to our trainee in Hello Wellness Massage, Mrs. Eileen S. Bulanio, to our Registrar, Ms. Shinley Ong, to our valued guests, and the first batch graduates. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all and to one and all. First and foremost, I thank God Almighty for giving me the strength, patience, and the courage to reach this milestone. Without His guidance, I would not have made it through the challenges of this journey. On behalf of the first batch graduates, it is such an honor to stand before you today and share this meaningful moment. Being chosen to deliver this speech is both a blessing and a responsibility I cherish. Today, we celebrate not just a success, but the grace that carried us through. Graduation is an important milestone achievement that signifies the end of our hard work. Dedication and effort, it is not just the end of learning in the classroom, but the beginning of applying that knowledge in real life. Whether in a career, a community, or our personal goals. It is a time filled with pride, gratitude, and reflection, where we students look back on our hard work, challenges, and the support of people around us. I want to express how truly and proud I am to each one of you. The journey we shared during our Hello to Wellness Massage training was more than just about learning. It was about sisterhood, support, and shared strength. Every moment we laughed, helped each other, and stayed strong during tough times made our bond even more special. The joy we felt whenever someone generously treated us with food and drinks brought warmth and unity to every session. Those little acts of kindness reminded us that care and love can be shared even in simple ways. We stood together during most stressful days during exams and the pressure we felt during the assessment. But we lifted each other up and supported each other. Practicing Hello wasn't just about techniques. It was about building memories, learning valuable life lessons, and showing respect for the healing tradition we now carry. I will always remember the hands we held, the love we shared, and the encouragement we give to one another. We learn more than skills. We learn compassion, patience, and the power of teamwork. I am so proud to have worked with this class with such strong, inspiring, and beautiful women. You are all inspired me every single day. Your strength, dedication, and passion remind me that mothers are powerful and unstoppable when driven by purpose. Today is the first day of our new life, and we will put this learning to use. This is the only beginning of life by utilizing that we have learned every day. But remember that we will continue to learn new things throughout our lives. Keep in mind that the world is yours to alter and shape as you. We want to give our most heartfelt thanks to the people who have helped us to make this journey thus far. First, let us thank our families for their support to whom we could have done this without. So thank you so much. To Ms. Shirley Ong, our supportive registrar, thank you for always being there to assist us from enrollment to assessment, and everything between. Your kindness, patience, and professionalism made our experience smooth and less stressful. To our amazing trainer, Mrs. Eileen S. Bolanio, thank you for your patience, passion, and commitment to teaching us not just the skills of Hilo, but the heart behind it. You made every class engaging, inspiring, and full of valuable lessons. Your guidance shaped us into a capable and confident practitioners. We are so lucky to have learned from someone with your dedication. Thank you for believing in us from start to finish. Lastly, to the entire Analytic Training and Assessment Center, and especially to our Honorable President Dr. Paulos Bariel Cañete, thank you so much for giving us this incredible opportunity to learn and grow. Being a scholar of Cañete is not just a blessing, it's a life-changing gift. You gave us the chance to gain knowledge, skills, and a better future. We will carry what we have learned here with pride and purpose. Thank you for believing in students like us. So again, we say thank you. Let me end with this meaningful quote. Behind every healing touch is a heart that has endured, overcome, and chosen to care. May our hands serve not just to relieve pain, but to spread love and hope. I am Jean Rose Isukoren, and I am proud to say that I am now graduated and an insitu holder of Hilo Wellness Massage. Congratulations and thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Sukorin, for that wonderful acceptance speech the challenge drawn by our very own representative, no? At taas kayo ito. Nagtuo po Cañete, hilot na. Ditinig po sa English, taas kayo. But anyway, that has more content, which is actually still a lesson. No? And remember, training and education is a continuous process, according to John Dewey. No? So, karon dili na ko ito dira, dapat nila yung training center, or dapat nila yung training yun sa Cañete soon. That will be still in process. Okay? Kanya, dili sa kutob dili, or dili sa kutob mahilot na mo, pwede sa magmatag atong kawalingong spa. Diba? Because ang TISDA, they had a lot of chance, or giving us a chance, not only to become a hilot lang, pero to become likewise a businessman or a businesswoman. No? So we challenge, we advise, we encourage that we are going to make or establish our own spa. Okay? Kay business man ang atong track ani. Okay. At this juncture, ladies from last again, kinuuna kayo sa okay, we have to give us the parting words. To wrap up all these things, we have our instructor from Mandaue State College. To give us the parting words, we have Ms. Yusel G. Calieno.
To everyone who made this journey possible, trainers, administrators, graduates, who fought hard to be here, we honor you. And you have to continue to rise, serve, and inspire. Again, congratulations, and may your success just be getting started. Mabuhay.
Thank you, Miss Yusa Calino, no, our MCC instructor. Of course, thank you so much, sir, for having us here. And of course, they are very inspired. Ilipay kasi nga nakadawa silang diploma as well as the may diploma katong 2,400. Okay? Okay, then Miss Eileen, thank you so much for the skills that given to our students and now graduates. No? Again, the pinaghan training ang ISDA for us to become scholar because ISDA is a government one. No, kita is scholar sa gobyerno. So we have to use that one. We have to be benefit with that one because kita may gobyerno, di ba? Okay, ang ISDA is that it's only the agency to give us that benefits. No? Okay, once again, congratulations and mabuhay everyone. Okay, after grupo or by batch or something.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Smile. Again.
Pagpahasa mo, Ma'am Norma.
Norma kayo mo, Ma'am Norma ka rin ba? Okay.
Congratulations sa So,
Para, wala.
get your foods.
Mga magna.
Nauna ta. Lagi nung udah akong kamera. Nag-video mo ko.
Kani, yung siya makakuha ang prize.
Na. Ha?
Masa man na, uy, picture.
Ah, picture day.
Nanawa ka, eh, pag yun yung nasa man ako. Wala ka bata siya, hindi, uy. Basta sila ako gusto nila.